Assalamu alaikum. So this is Salim Raja. A handout of articles for quick learners. একবারে যারা বিগিনার ফর কুইক লার্নার্স তাদের জন্য আজকের এই আর্টিকেল ক্লাসটি। তো শুরুতেই যারা আর্টিকেল শুরু করবেন তাদের জন্য ওয়েলকাম টু মাই ইংলিশ ক্লাস। তো সবাই ভালো আছেন এবং দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে আজকের ক্লাসটা একেবারেই যারা বিগিনার তাদের জন্য। তো থ্যাংক ইউ, লেটস গো। তো today's topic is article. The articles. You know that articles, friends, these are the one kinds of articles. Okay. তো এখানে একটা প্যাসেজ দেখা যাচ্ছে, যে প্যাসেজের ভিতরে কিছু রেড কালারের মার্ক করা আছে, যেগুলি এক ধরনের আর্টিকেলস। You know that once upon a time there lived a girl named Jasmine. She had a brother named Murad. He is a student of famous school. His school's name is Kamalongo Primary School. His headmaster is a very active person. Every day he went fishing in a pond. One day he caught a large fish with his rod. When he was going to school, saw a one-eyed beggar with a bag in his hand. He gave a 1 taka note and an apple to the beggar. The beggar had a knife. Jasmine does not like begging. She wants to be an MBBS doctor. Here, all A and N are other articles. Two kinds of articles. Now, we know about kinds of articles. There are two kinds of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite articles, the, and indefinite articles, a or an. Both kinds of articles are used before noun. The main use of definite article. Definite article that is used before three things. Part of things. I will eat the yellow part of the eggs. I ate the small portion of cake. Only one things. Bangladesh is near the Bay of Bengal. The sky is blue. The sun rises in the east. The moon shines at night. Definite thing. The boy is very naughty and our class teacher disliked the naughty boy. The book he wanted is out of print. Part of things, only one things, and definite thing, first letter P-O-D, what? Before the three nouns, before collective noun, the class is making noise, the army is active. Before uncountable noun, the iron, the sugar, the water of this sea is blue, the gold of this ring is pure. Singular common noun. The cow lives on the grass, the bird fly in the sky, the bamboo is a kind of grass, the cat loves comfort, the bird can fly in the sky, the sandwiches are CUS. Before 3 hours, তিনটা আরে দিবে তা অবশ্যই। Road, race and radio. Road, race and radio করবে তা অবশ্যই। This is the Arakan road. The Muslims are pious and I heard the radio news. Okay? Before 2S, দুইটা S এর করবে তা অবশ্যই। They are superlative, a special class. He is the best boy in the class. The crow is the ugliest bird. This is the most important note. Okay? The rich are not happy. The poor are born to suffer. The poor deserve our sympathy. Before to see, দুটা ছিয়ে তুলবেন দাবস। Comparative, cardinal number. The sooner the better. The sooner you do it, the better. The first boy, the second girl, George the fifth was a ruler. POD, pod, and CUS, and then RRRSS. Okay? Remember it, double C. And definite article that is not used before. Before three nouns. Material nouns. Please give me the X water. Please give me the X water. Abstract noun. Abstract noun is the abstract. I like this, the dash kindness. Am I right? Okay. Dear students. Proper noun. Proper noun is I know the dash noun. This is not used before season. I will use what water in the winter. This is not used before game. Cricket is my favorite game. The Borgana. This is not used before personal phrase. A prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase করতে বসে না যেমন I call him by the name. No, the isn't put here. This is not used before television. I watch the television. এখানে the বসবে না. This is not used before festival. Festival বোঝাইলে তার হলো the বসবে না. We celebrate Idul Adha. The এখানে বসবে না. Festival Idul Adha করবে the বসে না. Festival করবেও the বসবে না. The is not used before language. Language করবে the বসে না. As Bangla is our mother tongue, not the Bangla. Only you use here Bangla. This is not used before at. I will go to bed at night. At night, at is the বলবে না. This is not used before compliment. Compliment is the বসে না. We made him captain, not the captain. Only captain. This is not used before got. Got is the বসে না. The is not used before mails. Mails is the বসে না. We have our mails at 10 p.m. This is not used before place. Place is the Dhaka is an old city. Okay, dear learner. This is not used before man. Man is moral, not the man. The is not used before here. I love my parents, not the parents. Okay. So that is not used before MAP, map, SGPT, and FLAC. খুব সংক্ষিপ্তভাবে মনে রাখার উপায় এগুলি GMP, MP. Okay. A is used before certain person. নির্দিষ্ট ব্যক্তির পূর্বে এ বসে. Mr. Rahman came here. Mr. Rahman came here. Wa pronunciation. I see a one-eyed man. You sound is a university student. Before determinative. Determinative এর পূর্বেও এ বসে. A few, a lot, a little, and so on. Before unit. A dozen, a hundred, thousands, and so on. Consonant sound এর পূর্বে এ বসে. A cow is eating grass. A tiger is precious animals. An is used before a S 3-second symbol. He lives in an hotel. An historical and heritage. And sound H, even sound H, as he is an honest man. I am waiting for an hour. Vowel sound there could be and was. An apple, an MA, he is an idiot. Give me an orange. So A or an is used before COUDUC. সংক্ষেপে মনে রাখার উপায় SUV. A or an is used before same thing. Birds of same feather fall together. Unknown person, অপরিচিত কোনো ব্যক্তি. Mr. Chaudhary wrote this book. What? Exclamatory sentence. এর পূর্বে A or an বসে. What a nice bird it is. Before past profession. He is an engineer. He is a businessman. Before each or part became 100 টাকা per or each day. Before like I think you are Rabindranath and Uttam Sen. SUWPEL সংক্ষেপে মনে রাখার উপায়. So A or an is used before সংক্ষেপে মনে রাখার উপায় COUDUC SUV and SUWPEL. তো এক্সারসাইজ এখানে 10 এক্সারসাইজ আছে, চেষ্টা করবে. দেন thank you all. No more today. Next videos meet again. Till then with us. যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং সাথেই থাকুন. No more today.